I'm going to train you on how to activate and deactivate the financial accounting and financial accounting new in your. So this is a small tip. Sometimes you may be confusing why there are two here. So one is financial accounting and another one is financial accounting new. So usually the financial accounting new is applicable for ACC 6 and ACC, and from ACC 5 to ACC 8, and from that with as for HANA. So this is a fully established that no financial accounting. So now you just want to see only the financial accounting and not the what you call the financial accounting new. So how to activate and deactivate. So I would like to share some SAP notes. So if you look into SAP notes, so the SAP note which is applicable for this is 2784151. This will display or financial accounting or not. So you can see here how to do this. They clearly mentioned on the SAP note what exactly the activate to do the activation and deactivation. So now let's say I wanted to do see only the financial accounting old or financial accounting new. So this is applicable activation and deactivation. So I'm just going to show you now. Go back to SAP. So the program name is RFAGL swap IMG. So RFAGL swap IMG. I will go to this transaction SE38 RFAGL underscore step. So usually you can type entire program here which is mentioned, or you can go you entered until here. So you put star here, then press F4. So you can see. So you can see here that this is activate and deactivate implementation guide, and the second one is the old activate and deactivate implementation guide. So now I just want to deactivate old. So double click on old, execute. So now you can see here activate old and deactivate old. So now I click deactivate. So this is not going to impact on any of your configurations in the system. This is just only adjust the menu here, what you are seeing here in this menu. So it means you will not be seeing this, only you will be going to see this. So don't worry that okay, if you change or activate or deactivate, it is going to impact my entire old configurations will be changed or not. So you don't need to worry about it. So this is only the program which will activate and deactivate which menu should be available to the consultant or a power user or above the key user levels, because this is a development system. We usually have this. So yeah, so now go back to here. I will hide this. So now here I deactivate, click OK. So it is saying that, sorry, I click deactivate, and then I don't save. If you save, it will be called a variant. So now you need to click execute. You see settings were saved. Click OK. So now I will open SAP screen, and go to SAP IMG. You see here. So it is appear the new old the this one. So now I I want to see it, and you go back again. You can execute. Always I recommend whenever you want to change, don't be on the same screen. Come back and try to execute the program again. And now click activate. It's all defaultly selected as activate. Click execute. Then now you can save. Okay, so now I open a new screen, and if you click here, okay, then you can see here. So this is how the SAP given a flexibility. Don't think that okay, why SAP is stupid and why they are not given this kind of option, why they want to see both, because this is want to enable to the users, I mean the consultants or a business, that you want to go with the new or old, so they have an option given. Okay, so clearly stated in the SAP note here, you can see this is a SAP note. I'm not guiding you anything which is outside SAP. I will be guiding everything which is SAP recommended best solutions only in my channel. I'm not any affiliate to the SAP, but yeah, I do have my own study access for this. So I'm using this just to share with you. If you think that okay, is it a standard practice in SAP? Yes, there is a knowledge module already provided, so this is where you can display or undisplay. So they have given on the um, here what are the called the programs to be used. If friends, if this channel do you think helpful, please comment what is your interested topics, so I can start my sessions on those as well when I have time. Thank you.